Hello guys, today in this video I'll show you how to repair your smartphone broken screen instantly at your doorstep. So without further ado, let's begin the show. Okay, to do this, go to Chrome and search for Cashify Screen Pro or click on the link in the description down below. Now create an account by clicking on sign in. Now enter your phone number, after that click on submit. And guys, I don't want to do this guys, I just want to show you the tutorial how this works. I will be using random name and you should use your accurate name and other stuffs. So note that guys. Now enter your name and email address. After that click on submit. Now you will receive a message with OTP to your phone. Just enter the OTP here. After that click on submit. By doing this, we successfully created an account. Now click on select city. And guys, right now these two cities only available right now, and this is a new project that started by Cashify, and they will be adding new cities later, and you have to wait till then if your city is not displayed over here. Okay, now let's come back to the video. Now select the brand of your phone. Now select the model and the color. Now click on go. And now you can see guys, my price quoted here is 1099, and also they offers free tempered glass, which is a good thing, and also they provide 6 months warranty. Oh, that's great. Now click on book now. Now schedule your appointment. After that click on continue. Click on add new. Now enter your address. You can enter your home address, work address or any other. Now click on continue. Now everything is done. They will contact you on the scheduled date and they will come to your home and you will get repaired your phone instantly. And that's it guys, that's how you repair your broken screen phone instantly for cheap price. So guys, if you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and share this video to your loved ones, and comment down below your suggestions, and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified each time when we upload a new video. So that's it guys, thanks for watching.